Hello everyone. Today on the bench we have this precision screwdriver. I have decided to try it out for my repairs, and some saying that it is very comfortable, you know, to use that motion detection to screw and unscrew the screws. Yeah. So I thought, why not to try this one? Yeah. Okay, it comes with quite nice box, usual books and shit. Yeah. Device itself, and we have also some bits. That is not very nice. That this is actually quite expensive unit, and it does not come with some box for carrying it out. Yeah. We have some settings and so on and so forth. Okay, let's turn it on. Long press and lock button. Maybe it is this button. No, this button is unlock button. Okay, we have unlocked it, and the battery is in the minimum position. Wow, but it is, yeah, it shows instantly to charge it up, but instantly this one is super quiet, as you can hear. Yeah, super quiet one. Okay, so I will charge this up a bit, and we'll continue from there. Okay, and if someone is interested, it is charging at rate 5 volts and 0.74 amps, pulling from the charger. Okay, so let's wait for it to charge up, and we will continue. All right, so this device is already charged up. Maybe let's check this out. So let's turn it on. If you press this one 3 times, you can check between auto. So the auto means that this means that the gyroscope is enabled. Yeah. Then we have also other modes. We have clockwise. Yeah. So it will if you press the button, it will start to screw in the screws. Then there is anti-clockwise mode. So if you press this one, it will unscrew the screw. It will try just basically to unscrew the screws, just like that. And this one, I think, is the sleep mode, or because it is not reacting into anything. Okay. So let's leave on to auto mode. Then we have some settings. If you press the set button, there is speed that you can set between, I do not know if you can see, maybe you can, between, oh come on. So to get into the menu, we have speed 470 to 20, 360 and 470. I have set it to the maximum. Then sensitivity of the gyro, low, medium and high. I set to high. Impact, this one is interesting. This after screwing in the screw, it will just kick like 3 or 5 times to the bit, so that the screw will be screwed in a bit more. Then that menu. Then we have impact, retreat. This function is used for mostly these torque bits, and after you screw in, for example, bit sometimes gets stuck, and that retreat function, after screwing in, it just kicks a bit back just to free up that bit for you. Yeah. And moment, and light on off, this one, backlight of the LCD, beep, there is a beep on this device, but it is very low volume, language, and battery management, on or off, and also restore and information, version, and so on and so forth. And now it is locked. To unlock, you have to press set button for some time, and that's it. Okay, so I think, and also by pushing set button, you can increase the torque. We have 5 torque levels, so I will use 5 right now with the impact function. And let's see if I press the button and push into clockwise direction, it will spin that bit clockwise. If I push the button and turn anti-clockwise, it will spin a bit anti-clockwise. Okay, so let's try to screw in that screw. Unscrew it, and let's screw it in. Also unscrew and screw. You see that it used that an impact function. And this is quite a huge bits, but as you can see, it is screwing them quite good. Yeah, because we have that speed. Let's turn off that that impact function. Okay, come on. Impact, let's set to off. Okay, and let's see how it unscrews. It has some power. Yeah, it has some power. So that's quite a nice unit, actually. Yeah. Right now, since I'm fixing those devices, let's try that a bit. Let's see. This one maybe is okay. Is okay. Yeah. Let's use this one and let's see. Yeah, that one is magnetic. Okay, and let's set, I think, to something like 1, and let's see how it goes. So let's try to unscrew it. That easy. And it is super fast and very quiet. I think we have. You see how fast it is? It is spinning those screws. Okay, let's try to screw those in. Okay, so turn on. Super fast. And for such a small screws, that first position of torque is perfectly enough. Awesome. Awesome. So I think that I will use this one and also this device in the future videos. You will see those more and more. But this one I like very much. It is it's not very light unit, but it feels very good in the hand, and I think it is a bit grippier than that creation space one that we checked a bit earlier. Okay, so just a little update regarding this Miniware ES15S. Look at that. Look how it moves. Do you see? Is this acceptable for precision screwdriver? I don't know. Let's see. On this one, this is Xiaomi, it moves much more. Yeah? I hope that you can see that. Alright, and this one, Creation Space, has very, very little move. I would say it just a tiny little bit moves. But these ones moves, in my opinion, a bit too much. As for precision screwdriver, it should not move like that. This one's of course trash, but this one that was freaking expensive, it should not move like that. Yeah, so just a little update. Okay, so this is gonna be it regarding this video. Please consider supporting my channel. Also, please like, share, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers.